Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. It's more than 10x. He more than 10x'd his money in the group. This person, I'm up $10,000 in the last week. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me. If you came into cryptocurrency to make life-changing money, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to keep you updated on the news that moves the markets, Bitcoin technical analysis, altcoin setups to help you make some profits. Jumping right into the market, Bitcoin on a pullback. Bitcoin right now at 15,860. Is Bitcoin going to dump? So RSI right now is overbought, levels we haven't seen since 2019. The stochastic RSI is overbought as well. I mean, potentially a move to the downside, you get a bearish cross of this stochastic, which previously you can see led to a sell-off. Remember, Bitcoin's going to pull back at some point, right? Timing these tops and bottoms is basically impossible. The key is use a stop loss, manage your risk. But let's zoom into some of these lower term time frames and see if we can get a better picture. This was a chart that we've been talking about for months and months and months, where Bitcoin was going to continue in this pattern until it didn't. Here we are. It broke out. Now it's hit all of these targets, but we added another target. It got rejected at about 16,400. We added 17,000, actually a couple targets higher, 17,200, 18,800. These targets are still going to get hit. However, if you look at the Bitcoin 4-hour chart, you can see this rising channel. If the bulls can hold this support, they need to show up. They need to show up and push this price higher. You're looking at it move to the upside, 16,450, potentially 16,800. Okay. If this breaks to the downside, I mean, there is some bearish divergence. You got a bearish cross on the MACD right here. However, you do have some bounce ideas on the stochastic. Most important idea is if this level doesn't hold, potential downside move of 14,600. Amazing shout outs in my trading group. This person stated, when I joined the group, I didn't even have a clue what I was doing, anything about charts. Now I can draw my own charts. I'm up over $8,000 profit in just 24 hours. Life-changing money. This person said, I made 70% trading. Took maybe 20 minutes. Next person made $400, feeling blessed, thanks to the training videos, admin supports. Again, people don't always start to, join the group with thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. Most people, and I encourage people to start and practice with smaller amounts. This person trading WAN, which we talked about, all the news is coming next month for WAN. He was up $1,028. $1,028 in WAN. So if you want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, go to my website, cryptorev.net. Right now, if you pay in crypto for 6 months or 12 months, it's 50% off for a limited time. 50% off if you pay for 6 months or 12 months in crypto. Amazing setup. Look at this setup. How many monitors he's got? 1, 2, 3, 4, and a TV.
There's some laptops lined up down here for. He's got the trading station right here. This is the Crypto Revolution trading station. This is it. I need to up my game. These are some of the. So this is Binance right now. Top movers. These are all the setups I have right now. Sushi up 30%. This is just in a day. Bella Protocol up 20%. Comp up 13%. Aave got in good on a retest. A Fibonacci retracement retest. Uni, I gave you guys this, up tremendously. CRV up probably 50 or more percent total. XVS, I gave this to you guys. They have a mainnet launch coming on the 24th, so don't forget about that, up 10% today. Sparta up 30% in a day. Pay attention to this. Wing. There aren't many things potentially more exciting than the launch of their inclusive pool. It's going to let you experience true credit-based lending through Ontology's O-score. This is Bell up 18%, posted about 9 hours ago. Sushi up 28%. Zcash, I gave you guys Zcash multiple times, talking about this halving that's happening in about 3 days. It's up about 15%. A lot of people would say 15%. Remember, these larger coins, they just don't quite move as well. However, you do have this parabolic type move possible as far as ZEC goes. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust just loaded up on more Bitcoin and Ethereum. They bought 7,224 Bitcoin in the last day. They bought 22,658 Ethereum in a day, in 24 hours. This is huge. Remember, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is publicly traded, GBTC, on the traditional markets, on the stock exchange, right? So they have to back essentially what they're selling with Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. They have an Ethereum trust as well. But again, they keep stacking. I mean, look at over the last 30 days. They bought 57,000 Bitcoin. You want to talk about life-changing money? Grayscale is spreading Bitcoin and Ethereum to the masses. I mean, just in the last week, they picked up 33,000 Ethereum. Huge. This is some news real quick for you guys. Let me run through this real fast. So Bitcoin Cash hard fork happening tomorrow. Not much of a run up there. Uni, end of Uni farming. It's being voted on. XVS, I gave you guys a setup last video. Mainnet launch, 24th. BeamX release coming in November. Ethereum, remember, a lot of upside for Ethereum because of this. Let's see if this Bitcoin pullback occurs and potentially you're looking to accumulate some Ethereum based on this Ethereum 2.0 start date. Zen's got a halving coming on December the 2nd. Spark, so XRP holders are going to get their distribution of Spark tokens, which a lot of people get excited about this, but most of the time traders take profits and they sell off before the actual snapshot. Like you'll get some type of run up for XRP over this time. And then before the actual snapshot, you'll see a sell-off. Let's see. ORN's got a mainnet upgrade coming. CRO's got a mainnet launch. Cody's got a ton of news. Wan's got a ton of news as well on top of this stuff. So write all this stuff down. Make notes on this idea, right? You got to treat this like a business. This is a chart. Shout out to my admin Trip for this chart. Made this. You can see this is Bitcoin's 3-day chart. And Bitcoin has had a massive move to the upside. These altcoins, the altcoin market cap, I mean, it's flat right here. They're really lagging behind. These altcoins haven't even taken off yet. What happens for these altcoins to really take off? I mean, Bitcoin dominance has got to come down. I'm going to show you this in just a second. But Bitcoin, all eyes on Bitcoin. It's Bitcoin season right now. These altcoins will take off as soon as Bitcoin pulls back. So if we do get a pullback here, you're looking at altcoins. Altcoins turn on. Okay. Could get a little mini alt season. A lot of profits to be made there potentially. A lot of these altcoins are at amazing price levels. So again, altcoins are lagging. I just want you to read this because this is previous. This is older news. Bill Harris, founding CEO of PayPal, says Bitcoin is the greatest scam in history. It's a colossal pump and dump scheme, the likes of which the world has never seen. And I said, man, this kind of ticks me off like he said this. Like, who is this guy? And then PayPal. PayPal. He's no longer the CEO. And PayPal sent this. Email this to all the users of PayPal. Discover crypto at your own pace with PayPal. Start with as little as $1. $1. There's no transaction fees the rest of this year. Pump it, baby. PayPal Cash or Cash Plus account required. Get started. Hit this button. Buy Bitcoin. You're already using PayPal. Moon mission. This is a really zoomed in 5-minute chart. Let's look at 15-minute because Bitcoin, potentially could put in a double bottom reversal right here. But if you look, these order books are thin right now. If you look, potentially you could get some type of double bottom reversal. The bulls have got to show up here and hold this 15,800 level. But if you look at the buyers on the weekend, it's nowhere near the buys and sells you see through the week. And so a lot of people, they talk about, well, don't trade Bitcoin on the weekends because the price moves easy, because there's not a bunch of huge sell walls or buy walls down here, right? And so it's easier to move the market. You can see up here at 16,000, you've got maybe 144 Bitcoin, kind of works up to about 330 Bitcoin at 16,100. Below the price action, if you go down, you got to come down here to about 15,500. You'll find see this bright yellow line? You got about 400 Bitcoin buys set down here, about 350 here. So maybe you've got 1,000 Bitcoin being bought below it, right? So it's a lot easier for this price to roll over. But again, keep an eye on Bitcoin. So what's going to go on with these altcoins? Potentially Bitcoin dominance is building this bearish triangle, this bearish descending triangle. I'm saying if this thing plays out to the downside, these altcoins, potentially you could get some downside continuation just as a little bit here over the last day. And these altcoins have taken off and exploded. Imagine if you get a breakdown to the downside here. This is a bearish triangle, right? You get a move down of 2% here. These altcoins are going to explode. It doesn't take much on Bitcoin dominance for these smaller cap alts. Your larger caps, they're not really moving, right? And so it's hard to, most of the herd, they don't even recognize this idea at all. They don't understand it. They're all looking at Ethereum waiting for the next big move. So I gave you guys this setup of this triangle, right? Essentially this yellow triangle. Ethereum has broken out, but now what you see, it ran up, hit one target, actually hit a target here previously, and it's in this rising channel. Here's the thing. This is normally a bearish pattern. And a lot of people don't like pattern trading because of this idea. So these are supposed to break to the downside, 68% chance. The one time that it's more common that they break to the upside is when you get these rounded type bottoms patterns, cup and handles, inverse head and shoulders, double bottoms. The right side of these patterns, when you get rising wedges, they break higher, a higher percentage of the time, I think, and then you get parabolic moves to the downside. Now, if this does break lower for Ethereum, you're looking at a measured move about $428. Essentially, remember, you just, on any pullbacks, you want to buy and accumulate Ethereum right now because you'll see a significant run up as Ethereum moves forward in this bull market. Here's Wing. I was going to give you guys this setup. It broke out already. It was a bull flag after the breakout of a falling wedge. So I tried to update it, and it already broke out again. You could adjust this level potentially, but it has already started to take off. So I found Anchor. Hopefully this won't break out by the time I get this uploaded. And remember, Anchor has this staker, STKR, right? And Anchor's reporting that users are going to be able to deposit funds through the STKR platform before the Ethereum 2.0 Genesis date. So the staker network's going to provide and offer micro pools that allow users to stake any amount of Ethereum. So all of a sudden, you don't need to have 32 Ethereum. You'll be able to stake Ethereum. So, I think this is going to be popular. And, if you don't have 32 Ethereum, you can still stake with smaller amounts. And so here's the Anchor setup. Buy the breakout of this level, double bottom potentially. Okay. So you see how you take, this is a good technical pattern, and we got some news behind it, right? XRP's had a pretty nice move to the upside recently. I had buy the breakout of this yellow trend line. It's already broken out. Really, you want to see XRP break above this level. Levels are marked over here. XRP, larger market cap coins aren't going to move as well, as fast percentage-wise as a lot of these smaller caps. Just remember that. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.